Yo guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. And if you are new to my channel, try to subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more great videos that are coming up. We are still on Introduction to Forex episode 7, and in this class I'm going to talk about the 1990 rule of forex trading. What is the 1990 rule of forex trading? Wow, let me do intro. I'm official Balafxofficial. If you don't know me, I'm official Balafxofficial. This is my channel. I share content related to forex and my journey about forex trading to show you how I'm gonna be great in future, and by God grace, by doing this consistently, helping people to develop, it's going to help me a lot. So let's go back to our topic, the 1990 rule. The 1990 rule states that 90% of all forex traders lost 90% of their trading account in the first 90 days. What what does this mean? This means that as a forex trader, you are new to forex, you just try, let me invest 50,000 naira. Let me invest. I know that this is going to bring money, 50,000 naira. You invest 50,000 naira. You invest 50,000 naira. You invest 50,000 naira. Number one, you enter the market without knowledge. You enter the market with ignorance. You enter the market with the mentality, I'm going to get rich quick scam. Something like that. So with this mindset, you want to make money. They will know that this guy, if you place trade, they are going to detect you, because everyone has a sheet that they are using in their trading system. They monitor what you are trading. So that is what they call 90% of all forex traders lost their 90% of their entire capital in the first 90 days. And no great forex trader, he will tell me that he has never blown his account. I have blown many accounts. I have blown my money. My account has been blown. In fact, the first day I started trading forex, I think that day I lost my capital. That day I lost my capital. Why? I don't have proper knowledge. I don't have proper risk management. So let's go deep. 90% of all forex traders lost their account within the form of 90 days in the first trading. Okay, 90% of all forex traders lost 90% of their trading account in the first 90 days. This rule is very crucial and it's very true. No matter how great you are in forex, you have to abide by this. Okay, let me say, or do you know that 90% of new traders and investors will lose 90% of their trading money within 90 days? We call this 1990 rule. This trend is because people start trading investment without a strategy. Did you see? Without a strategy, knowing how is only part of the battle. If you do not have a strategy, many are caught but few are chosen. Have you ever heard of this proverb? Many are called but few are chosen. Yeah, this is certainly true for trading. In fact, there is even a rule in forex trading, that is 1990 rule. So what does this say? 90% of traders lose 90% of their money in 90 days. This is right statistically. That's 90% of people who start trading lost their majority or their measure of their money in less than 3 months. But why is this so? So in this post and in this PDF below, I'm going to tell you about this. Why this happened? Why did 90% of all forex traders lose their entire capital within 90 days? So let's get started. These are the things that make people to lose their account and their money within 90 days of starting forex. Number one is expectation. Many start trading because they have seen or read something about a successful story. Some people becoming rich overnight. They might even have a friend who has been successful in trading, and they think to sow in German cliche famous word. How hard it can be. What with this approach of with this approach failure is made immediate. So you enter market, you enter forex trading with expectation. You want to use $10 to get $50 within a day. It's possible. It's not that it's not possible, but you have to have a trading plan. Are you willing to risk? Are you willing to risk? Are you willing to risk? And you have high expectation. Do you have backup fund? Don't worry, on my next episode I'm going to talk about something that is going to help us also. So you have high expectation. If you have high expectation, you're not going to be successful so fast in the first 90 days. You have to have a low expectation first. Then you grow yourself step by step. So number 2, trading plan. If you fail to plan, you are planning to fall. This is a proverb. Trading without a plan results to uncertainty in failure. In trading, this include the definition of your setup, entry, stop loss, profit targeting, trade management, risk management, and money management. So you have to have trading plan. If you don't have trading plan, you will fail. You will fail woefully. That's why you fail. 90% of all forex traders used to fail. Yes, you don't have trading plan, you don't have exit plan, you don't have risk management, and you expect to succeed. No, it's not done that way. Everything in life has principle and have rules that are attached to it. So you have to abide by them. Then, not testing your plan. You have gotten your strategy, but you're not testing it. You have to test it, back test, and do more before you join this forex market. Don't join blindly. Okay, you have determined. Okay, not testing your plan. You have a plan, but you're not testing it. You have determined how you trade. What defines your entry, exit, how much of your capital you will risk. Yeah, how much do you want to lose in each trade? How much do you want to risk? Like $5 or $10 or $20. It depends on how much you want to risk on each trade. So you have to have a good mentality and a good mindset to do that. Emotion keys. This is the biggest one. Emotion. You have emotion. Okay, if did not take the time to create a trading plan and backtest it, you don't really know what you are doing. And emotion will have the best of you. Fear, greed, hope, excitement, anxiety, boredom, and frustration will drive you hard in capital away from you. So emotion is among it. If you don't have a trading plan, you cannot control emotion. You are going to lose badly on this market. So you have to follow it step by step, gradually. Fear, greed, emotion, excitement, anxiety, stress, depression is going to meet you. It's going to drive away your hard-earned money. So you have to control your emotion. Ego, this is pride. You enter forex market with pride. You have know all. Over excitement, you know all. Instead of to learn step by step the procedure that you need, you won't follow. So the market can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. If you want to prove the market that you are right, you are you are doomed to fall. Did you see it? It is already stated. The market is always right, no matter what happens. So you better learn to accept that your analysis or prediction of what will happen was wrong and cut your loss fast. That's all. If you have a good trading plan, you know when to cut your loss. You know when to cut your, you know when to take your profit. Did you see? Don't think you're always right in the market. No. You're not always right. Another one is lack of education. You enter market without education. Somebody just introduced you to forex. You just want to enter. Bah! You put 50,000. You want to make money. No, it's not done that way. You have to follow it gradually. Some people used to deposit $10, $5 to see what they can be able to do with it. Yeah, if you can be able to start to, but your mentality, your mindset of that $10 is not that to make it $50 overnight. No. Manchester is not built on one day, or Rome is not built on a single day. As you know it, yeah, lack of education. It takes many years to learn skills or a profession. Trading is no difference. Yeah, if you think about making a lot of money without putting the time in learning and text, you pretty much guarantee yourself to fail. Yes, if you don't study your time learning forex, you will fail at the end. So you have to dedicate yourself to learning. You should Okay, you wouldn't want a lawyer without education to defend you in the court, or a self-proclaimed surgeon who learn on YouTube to operate you. You will you wouldn't like that now. Hey, so starting capital too low. Yeah, if you have started forest trading, sometimes your capital starting capital too low. You put $100, you are expecting to make profit. It's too low. It's too small now. How about it's too small? Unless you have learned how to make conservative, you know your risk management. That's when you can grow it. And still, $100 cannot take you to where you want to be. You have to scaling up. It's gradually step. You understand? If you are starting with a low capital, you will tend to try and make it grow fast. Did you see? Resulting in taking too much, many trade, too high risks, too high leverage. If you start with a lower capital, you will have to be okay with the fact that it will grow slowly. Yeah, you have to make it to grow slowly. Don't rush the game. If you have $100 capital, you use it gradually. Don't force yourself, please and please. Yeah, and another thing that affects and make people to lose their 90% of their entire capital within 90 days is buying or selling signal or following signal. You want to buy signal, you want to no. Even the signal providers, they are wrong sometimes. So that's when how you have to make your use of your head and try to create strategies. You to try to make back on research. Let me read this. There is no such thing as easy money. You might think that you don't have time to learn about trading, making the backtesting a trading plan. So why not follow Signal? Ask yourself what you know about this service, how profitable is it, and don't just go from the claims they make. Do you know anything about the reason for a signal? You don't know anything about the reason for the signal they give. Why was it triggered, and did how talk others users who use the service provider? Have you talked to people that use their the signal provider? No. So you have to try to consult before you take a signal provider, before you follow them, because they have their reason and they have their role don't. And you know their capital and your own is not the same. Them, they are trading thousands capital, like $10,000 capital, $5,000 capital, and you are using $50 capital. So it's not possible. Don't compare yourself with them. You have to follow it gradually. Then this indicator overload. You want to use indicator. You buy at this price, sell at this price. Even indicator fails. Even indicator fail. So please and please try to check this. Don't make this mistake. And it's probably it's most. First, 90% of all forex traders lose their entire capital within the same 90 months. No, I mean 90 days. So please try to avoid this. And these are the things that affect. These are the things that are under the 1990 rule. Indicator can help you make decision for trading, but too many indicators can't. With many indicator can and will lead to opposite signal and analysis paralysis. Most indicators are derived from price, so it makes sense to learn how to read price action. Did you see? You have to learn how to read price action. Like what this means, this indicator, let me open my chart so that you see something. This, so did you see my chart? There's nothing like line. There's nothing like line attached to it. Do you see? This are what we call, some people will go and be putting different thing, different lights and salary indicator. As we go further in my next videos, I will start explaining the environment of this MT4 as I've teach you how to download it on, I think, episode 3. So another thing that make 90% of all forex traders to lose is the next shy objective syndrome. You took the time to develop a trading plan and even tested it, but you ran into a drawdown rather than counting into your experience. Rather than you to count your experience on the expecting that you know it there, you took for a new shy method of trading until the same thing happened. So what this means is that don't allow what happened to happen again. Shy, you already test your plan, you already have it, but you're still afraid and you have a drawdown. So what I will try to do is just to step down, wait. Don't continue trading the account. Wait for some time before you take over. Try to come back to your psychology, your normal sense first before you start trading again. So the next part is what make 90% of all forex traders lose their entire capital within 90 days. Greed. This one, everybody have it. Even me, I have it. Even for great forex traders have this greed mentality. You are in profit. Instead of to close your position, you have already gotten your 1:2 risk to reward. You will still go and leave it. You are expecting to reach 100 pips. No, it's not done that way. Take your profit and go. Alright, I think I have provided the main reason why new or inexperienced traders fall. Yeah, knowing why and they you fail. So there is it. For more this and follow these knowledges. So what is your story? What is your story? Are you a successful trader now, or you are a now but recognize these reasons for failure? Are you a new trader? Was this helpful? Yes, it was helpful. What will you do to overcome this? So here, okay, trading is a ruthless business. Did you see? Trading is a ruthless business that does not take any hostage. So you better come prepared. You have to come prepared. This trade is because people start trading investment without a strategy, knowing how is only the path to battle. Knowing how this is the only part of the battle you are to. Okay, that if you do not have a strategy, this trend is because people start trading investment without a strategy. Knowing how is the only part of the battle. You understand? It's the only of the battle that have a strategy. So what we need to do to avoid this 1990 rule, how to prevent the 1990 rule. So we have talked about what make you to lose your account. Look at it in capital letter. So we are going to talk how to prevent yourself from this. How to prevent yourself from this is risk what you can be able to lose. There's risk what you can afford to lose. If it is $5, you have to use $5. If it is $10, you use. Risk what you can afford to lose. Have a clear mindset. Don't enter mindset with you want to make 50,000 every day. Do it small, gradually. Clear mindset. If you have a trauma that you are passing through since childhood, whatever that is disturbing your girlfriend or whatever, please clear your mindset to start trading. How to prevent your 1990 rule. Don't borrow money. Don't borrow money to trade forex. Don't borrow money. I can tell you from my experience, don't borrow money. Even me, I have lost a lot of money. Don't borrow money and it's causing trouble. And don't use your school fees. Don't use your house rent. Please. As a student, don't use your house rent or don't use your school fees. I've ever used my school fees to trade forex and it end up on a bad side. Myself, Balafxofficial, I've ever used my school fees. Yeah, I use half and it crashed. So what keep me moving is my mentality, my mindset. I crashed the account. So I'm still trying. Please don't borrow money. Don't use your school fees. Keep your day job. If you are a student, you're working. Keep working. Gradually, start learning for small. Don't rush into the business. Gradually, step by step. Know it. Prepare mentally. Prepare mentally, education. Prepare yourself. Don't rush into the game. Yes. And keep your day job. Be working at any money. Then have a backup fund. Yeah, as a student, if you have a backup fund or you have other business you are doing that you can be able to replace if you blow the account in forex trading, please try to do so. It will help. Try to do so. It will be of help. Backup fund. Yeah, have different sources of income. Yes, have different sources of income as a student. If you have other business or you have parent, please have different business of income that you can be able to refund your money back if you crash an account, because this 1990 rule that must happen to you before you can know how to prevent itself. Yes, have a backup fund, have different sources of income. Yes, don't be greedy. Yes, if you have make your money, don't be greedy, just remove it. If it is $10, $50, $100 as time goes on, $2,000, if you make profit, don't be greedy, please. withdraw it, and if you withdraw, put it in your bank account, buy whatever you want to buy. Have a trading plan. Yes, many people enter into forex trading without trading plan. Without trading plan. So how will you go to school without book and pen, and you are say you are a student? As a student, your primary objective is to read, learn, and understand, and make it, and try to behave yourself, be in a good condition. So you want to succeed and you are not reading, you are not researching. That's very bad. You have to study, read, and understand, and plan yourself agenda. Plan an agenda for yourself. Make a plan. So that's what you have to have a trading plan that involves risk management, trade management, exit entry, and exit entry and in entry. So you have to have this plan, please. And this is the ending of this episode 7. So these are the 1990 road I'm trying to talk about. So every forex trader must pass through this level. Every forex trader must pass through this level. So go through the PDF. I'm going to send it in the group, in my telegram and other social media platform. Try to subscribe. I'm Balafxofficial. Love you. Peace. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please subscribe, like, share. Please. I'm just new to YouTube. Please subscribe. Thank you. See you on next episode. I'm going to talk an important rule on chapters 8. Please subscribe. Thank you. See you again. Peace.